Hello ladies, welcome back to Much More Than Beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to be putting to the test two of the top detangling brushes that a lot of you may know. So I'm going to be testing out which one detangles better. And so I have here the Denman Brush and I also have the Felicia Leatherwood Detangler brush. So I'm sure some of you at some point have wondered, okay, which detangler brush should I get? Which one's gonna work better for my hair texture? And I'm sure many of you have seen these two brushes and maybe wondered like, which one works better? And I have used both brushes, but never at the same time to where I can notice really the difference. So this is going to be really interesting to see like which one performs better for me and maybe my texture. I have like 3B, 3C texture. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be detangling one side with one brush and the other side with the other brush. And then I'm going to get the feel of, you know, how it's going while I'm brushing. And in the end, I'm going to be choosing which one I feel is the best. All right, ladies, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. And I washed my hair in the shower using OGX Quenching Coconut Curls shampoo, which I've been using for the past week or two, and I've really been loving it. It's been working really well for my hair. Very, very softening, and honestly, I didn't think this brand was gonna work for my hair or my like hair texture, so I'm really surprised that it's working really well. So that's what I use to wash my hair. Now, for conditioner, I'm going to be using their conditioner. So this is the OGX Quenching Curls conditioner, and this is what it looks like. Again, I've been using it for the past couple of weeks and I'm in love. Like, it really, really works really well. You're about to see how well it works. So the conditioner, it is so softening that it makes detangling super easy. So this should be a pretty easy detangling. What we're testing is to see which one's gonna detangle better, easier. So we'll see how that goes. So now that I have freshly washed hair, what I'm going to do is I'm going to part it in half so I can detangle one side and the other. Right, so I got my hair parted in two and it is tangled, you guys. Both sides is tangled. I did not detangle in the shower. I did not condition in the shower. All I did was shampoo and rinse my hair in the shower, and then I just came right out. So yeah guys, my hair's pretty tangled. Let me just show you how tangled it is before I start detangling. Literally cannot get my fingers through my hair, so it's stuck and it's tangled up, you guys. Matted together, it's knotted up. Same thing with the other side, of course. It's pretty tangled. The last time I detangled my hair, I'm gonna say it was about 3 to 4 days ago for my last wash and go. All right, ladies, so I'm going to go ahead and put conditioner on both sides. Again, I'm using the Coconut Curls conditioner by OGX, which smells like coconut. It smells really good. And I got conditioner somewhere on my face. So I took a good amount. This is a pretty good amount of the conditioner, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to this one side. So all that conditioner that you just saw, I'm putting it on this side, and it's instantly like softening. So I think I could finger detangle my hair from how soft it is. but we're gonna test these brushes out today. I'm gonna take some more of the conditioner and apply it to this side. Like this much. And putting some on my ends, all over. And again, guys, so soft, like instantly soft. I love this conditioner. Loving that conditioner. All right, guys, so I have conditioner on both sides. Now it's time to put these brushes to the test. So on my left side, I'm going to do Denman Brush on my left. On my right side, I'm going to do the Felicia Leatherwood. All right, so let's start. I'm gonna start with the Denman Brush on my left side. Of course, you always want to detangle from your ends first. So I'm gonna start detangling. So far, so good. Has some grip in there. It's like it grips my hair. All these bristles that it has grips my hair. Not too much tugging. I do feel a little bit of tugging, but not too much. Kind of heard a little bit of hair ripping. I'm trying to go gently. So it's definitely detangling. It's doing good. Okay, guys, so I'm not halfway through. I think I'm like 1/3. And so that's what it looks like so far. Okay, now let's try the Felicia Leatherwood Detangler brush. Again, I'm detangling from my ends. Okay, so this one is really easy and fast. It's not gripping as much as the Denman did, because this one I think has like bigger, more separated bristles. So this is doing really good. I feel like this side is detangling better so far because it just goes through my hair. Like I can just run it through my hair pretty much. Okay, guys. So this is about 1/3 of this side. That's what it looks like. So far, so good. Now back with the Denman side. Okay. This one I can hear like it's raking. It sounds like I'm raking leaves outside. I can pretty much hear me detangling my hair, if that makes sense, with this brush. And it kind of, honestly, it kind of sounds like I'm ripping my hair a little bit. It is detangling well though. So okay, so I don't really like how it grips into my hair. I feel like it's harder to pull down and tug down to detangle. Okay, so honestly this is requiring some work on this side, but I feel like I got like 2/3 of the way. Not yet. Okay, I think I'm about 2/3 of the way on this side with the Denman brush. Back with the Felicia Leatherwood Detangler brush. I mean, this one I can hear me like brushing my hair, but it doesn't sound like I'm breaking my hair. This one just sounds like I'm brushing my hair. And honestly, this one feels easier. It's sliding through my hair easier. And I'm thinking it has to be because of the separation of the bristles with the Felicia Leatherwood brush. Okay, so that's about 2/3 of the way. I feel like I detangled this side already faster than I did this side. So now, to finish this Denman side, okay. I don't know why that feels like it tangled up again at the end. Like I feel like I'm starting from the end all over again. I can feel the brush kind of like tugging, like I feel like I'm tugging my hair. I feel like with these bristles, I can't get as deep into my hair. I feel like I'm kind of detangling the top, if that makes sense. I think these bristles are shorter than the Felicia Leatherwood, and the Felicia Leatherwood ones is longer. Okay, so I'm almost done detangling. Okay. Alrighty guys, so I think I just ripped my hair there. I detangled my hair with the Denman brush on this side. I'm going to show you guys in a second how much hair is in this brush. When I started, there wasn't any hair in this brush. So I'm running through my fingers to kind of check if it detangled well. And honestly, it still feels a little bit tangled, which is weird. But now, like, I feel like I'm having to finger detangle my hair. So even after using the Denman, I feel like I have to go back in and finish detangling. Okay. And now I feel like it's completely detangled, and I have hair. In my hands from finger detangling. About that much hair, you guys, I lost on that side. Now I'm gonna combine the hair from this brush with this. So this is about how much hair I lost on the Denman side. This is about how much hair I lost. Alright guys, let's finish up the Felicia side. So, oh my, that right there is just so easy. It's like undeniably easier. It's like I just stick it in, brush, and it just runs through my hair. Like, you guys see that? I'm already finishing up detangling this side. And that's it, you guys. My hair is detangled on this side. Done. Just like that. So now I'm gonna finger detangle to check for any knots, anything left over there. And guys, this feels really good. Like my fingers are sliding right through. I'm not even sure why, because I would think the Denman side, because it has more bristles, I wouldn't have any tangles left. I don't know, I can't explain it. But this side, less tangles after detangling. And this is how much hair I got from finger detangling on this side. really not much at all, like barely any hair. Now let's see how much hair we get out of this brush. Okay guys, this is how much hair. And honestly, the Felicia side, less hair. I lost less hair detangling my right side with the Felicia Leatherwood brush, and I lost more hair detangling with the Denman brush. So I'm gonna try to see if I can like show you guys both hairballs in a second. Okay, so guys, I feel like my conclusion, I think everyone knows what brush I'm leaning towards, and that's the Felicia Leatherwood Detangler brush. I think that it detangles my hair type easier because the bristles are more separated. These are thicker bristles, and also the brush, it moves. Like this brush actually, you see that? This brush actually, like it goes with the flow of your hair. The Denman brush, the bristles are, these bristles are pointier. They're closer together. It looks like there's more bristles. So it's gonna grip into your hair more and not flow as easily through your hair. Yeah guys. So I'm thinking that's why the Felicia Leatherwood works better for my hair type. So that answers that question for me. You guys, I would totally go with the Felicia Leatherwood brush. Personally, that's what I would go with. So hopefully this video kind of helps you guys decide between the two, Denman or Felicia Leatherwood. I personally would pick the Felicia Leatherwood. I've heard a lot of people say that they love the Denman brush, and that's totally fine. I'm sure the Denman brush works great for some people. Honestly, I don't think so well for me. Definitely the Felicia Leatherwood is the one for me. So yeah guys, my hair is all detangled, and I'm gonna show you guys my hair loss with these brushes. Okay, so this is the hair loss that I got from the Denman brush, and then this is the hair loss with the Detangler brush. So that's just to show you guys, like, when I heard my hair ripping out with this brush, I guess it was because it was really ripping out with this brush. Alright ladies, so that's pretty much it. I was thinking that maybe as I was detangling, should I have just detangled this one side completely without stopping, and also then doing this side without stopping and timing each side to see which one detangled faster? Would you guys have rather see that? Let me know. Also guys, let me know what brush do you currently use right now? Like, what's your favorite detangler brush? Have you already found your favorite detangler brush? Share it below and let me know which brush you use. And also yeah guys, just share below like what brush are you using, which one you feel works for you and your hair type, and then maybe that could also help others find some detangling hair brushes. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.